What if your phone rings? And someone on the other end says, "You are under arrest. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Right now." They send you a badge. A case file. Maybe even a video call with someone in uniform. And before you know it, you're locked in your room, transferring money to clear your name. This is not a movie. This is called a digital arrest scam, and it's spreading faster than most people realize. If you think, "I could never fall for that," you're exactly the kind of person scammers target. Because this scam doesn't rely on stupidity. It relies on fear, authority, and psychological control. Today, I'll break down what a digital arrest scam really is, how it works step by step, why it's exploding globally, and how you can protect yourself and others. What is digital arrest scam? A digital arrest scam is when criminals impersonate law enforcement or government officials and convince you that you're involved in a serious crime. They tell you things like, "Your phone number is linked to fraud. Your bank account is under investigation. There's a warrant for your arrest." But here's the twist. Instead of physically arresting you, they control you remotely. They may say, "Do not leave your room. Do not contact anyone. You are under surveillance." That's the digital arrest. You're not in handcuffs. But mentally, you are trapped. How the scam works. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, the call. You get a call from someone claiming to be from police, cybercrime unit, immigration, or even your bank. They often spoof real numbers to look legit. Step 2, the accusation. They hit you with something serious. Money laundering, drug trafficking, identity theft. Something designed to shock you. Step 3, fake proof. They send fake arrest warrants, official-looking documents, ID cards, sometimes even video calls with officers in uniform. This is where many people start believing. Step 4, isolation. This is the most dangerous part. They tell you, "Don't tell anyone. Your phone is being monitored. If you hang up, you'll be arrested immediately." Now you're cut off from reality. Step 5, payment. Finally, they offer a solution. Pay a fine. Move money to a safe account. Or verify your funds. And that's where victims lose thousands, sometimes millions. Why it's spreading fast? This scam is exploding for a few key reasons. 1. Technology is on their side. Scammers now use caller ID spoofing, AI voice tools, deepfake videos. They can look and sound incredibly real. 2. People trust authority. When someone says police or government, your brain switches from logic to compliance. 3. It creates urgency. You don't have time to think. You react. And reaction is where mistakes happen. 4. It targets emotions, not logic. Fear of arrest. Fear of shame. Fear of losing everything. That emotional pressure overrides common sense. Red flags you must never ignore. Here's how to spot it instantly. Real police do not arrest people over phone calls. No legitimate agency will ask you to transfer money to clear your name. They will never tell you to isolate yourself. Threats plus urgency equals scam. If they say, "Don't tell anyone," that's your biggest warning. If you notice even one of these, pause immediately. What to do if you're targeted? If this happens to you, hang up immediately. Do not send money. Contact your bank if you share details. Report to local authorities or cybercrime units. Talk to someone you trust. Breaking the isolation is key. Digital arrest scams are dangerous. Not because they're smart, but because they manipulate human psychology perfectly. The more people understand this, the harder it becomes for scammers to win. If this video opened your eyes, share it with someone, you might actually save them. Because the next call could be to them. And subscribe for simple, real-world breakdowns of scams, so you stay one step ahead.